Timree. I'm back here on YouTube because, gosh, I have been so busy with my paint club and I just had to show you all the fun Halloween classes we have in store. So I teach you step by step, so no worries if you've never had a class before. That's why my classes are so great. Here's a little sneak peek that I have. This is one. How cute are these pumpkins that can transition into fall Thanksgiving? We've got the witch, and I even have some glitter classes as well. So again, here's just some fun classes that you can take. Go ahead and check out my website, timree.com, to join my paint club. And you know what? I give you a whole supply list, and you can also purchase your supplies online. Any paint will do, and I cannot wait to paint with you. Bye, guys!